In last section we stopped it here that probability of x less than 8 and greater than 6. When we converted it into z scale, it was z less than minus 1 point, we can write 0 0, and greater than minus 2.00. Now we see how to find out the area under the curve. So this is the curve. Mean of z scale is always 0, so we write it here 0. Now we write z unit, z less than minus 1, so 0 is minus 1 is less than 0, so minus 1 will be somewhere here and minus 2 will be somewhere here. So we need area between minus 1 and minus 2, so we need this area. So we will find this area through z table. I will show you in the next slides how to find z table. Whenever we see area, listen this point very carefully. Whenever we will see value in the z table, it will give us value always from minus infinity to that point. For example, if I want to see the value from minus infinity to minus 1, it will give me value from minus infinity to minus 1. If I see value corresponding to minus 2, it will give me value from minus infinity to minus 2. So if I know value from minus infinity to minus 1, and if I know value from minus infinity to minus 2, and I need this area, so if I have this value, if I have this value and this value, I can subtract this value from this big value and I can get this remaining value. So now we will see how we can read the table. Minus 1, you can see here minus 1.00. So minus 1, where is minus 1? So here is minus 1. So minus 1.00, minus 1.00. So corresponding to minus 1 we have 0.1587, and corresponding to minus 2, corresponding to minus 2, here is minus 2, it is 0.0228, 0.0228. So in this way we read the values corresponding to z table. So from minus infinity to minus 1.00, value in the table was 0.1587, and from minus infinity to minus 2, the value was 0.0228. So we need this area, to do so we will subtract this area from this area, which means 0.1587 minus 0.0228, so it is 0.1359. so this is the probability that x is less than 8 and greater than 6. So the original problem was find the probability x is less than 8 and greater than 6 when mu is 10, sigma is 2. Then we write solution. Now I am explaining all the steps together. We write the formula z x minus mu over sigma. We write z1, for z1 we write x1, we say 6 minus 10 divided by 2, which is minus 2, z2 8 minus 10 divided by 2, which is minus 1. So it becomes z less than minus 1.00 and greater than minus 2.00. So in this way we see values in the table from minus infinity to minus 1 and from minus infinity to minus 2, which was 0.1587 minus 0.0228, so which was 0.1359. so that is the whole process. I hope you understand. Now rest you can put questions in the discussion forum or on WeChat or through email, then we can discuss it further, and I will upload the second topic of the first lecture. This is our first lecture, and now I will upload the second topic of the first lecture. That is the first topic, that was the first topic of first lecture, which is completed. So I hope you can understand it very easily. Thank you.